So hello everyone, I'm Amir and today I want to solve a few problems and that is finding the inverse function and using the algebraic method. So this is our first equation and the first step is replace the PR as you can see here with y. So we rewrite the equation and it will become like this. And step 2, this step 2 is we equal the equation to the 0 and they replace r with y. So as you can see here we replace the equation with 0 and we replace the r with y. Okay, now we have to find a, b and c. So you can see I found it here. I write it down, A, B, and C. And the step 4 is using with a quadratic formula. We write the equation here, and by using the quadratic formula, as we all know what it is, to find the final answer. So we use the quadratic formula. As you can see, I did it here, here, and this is our final answer. And as we can understand, this is not a inverse function because the answer, we have two outputs. Okay, so we move to the second equation. The second equation, as you can see, it's right here. So the step 1 is replace the x with y. So this is the equation. We replace the x and y. We write down the equation. The step 2 is move the x to outside. So we rewrite the equation again and we move the x outside. And step 3 is divide the equation by 5. So we have the 5 here behind the y. We move it down here. So we put it here and this will be our final answer. And the last one, part C, as you can see, we replace the ht, with y. So this is our equation. We replace this ht with y. We rewrite down the equation and then we change the place of y and t. So I did it. This is a t, this is the y. As you can see, I replace it down and rewrite it. And we complete the equation and then we write the we use the quadratic formula to find the final answer. So as you can see, I write the quadratic formula and I complete it down, and here I write the final answer, and here ht, the inverse function. As you can see here, this is my final answer. And this is also is not an inverse function. Oh, sorry. This is an inverse function. As you can see, it has a single answer. And to ensure that, we can graph this, all three of them, to see that whether is it to recheck our answers.